As a Linux user, you know the pain. Most of the time, you can get the programs you want just fine, but sometimes you can't. And this is why a lot of people, including me, dual boot. Sometimes your only option is just to switch to Windows, which can be a pain if you've got to restart your computer. Or even worse, people who don't dual boot, or don't have access to Windows in another way, just won't be able to use the program that they want, if it's not available on Linux, that is. Now, Roblox is an annoying one, because while you can officially get it on Windows and Mac OS, you can't get it on Linux. Now, this has personally been annoying to me, especially when I used to code in Roblox Studio a lot. But relatively recently, I found out that you can play Roblox and use Roblox Studio on Linux. And this is how you do it, with a project called Vinegar. How this works is it basically allows the Android app to run on your computer. Now, it's a separate process to download both Roblox Player and Studio. First, I'm going to run you through how to install Roblox Player. You do this through Vinegar's project called Sober. Now, apparently, this has up to twice the performance of native Windows. I don't know how true that is in practice, but it'd still be pretty cool if they could even get it close. And seemingly they can, so you don't need to worry about that. Scroll down, and then here we'll see that we need to make sure flatpak is installed. The method for how you do this is different depending on your distro. You can find out for your specific distro here, but as you can probably tell, I'm using Ubuntu, which is a Debian-based distro, along with obviously Debian, Linux Mint, and others. So I have apt installed, or apt, whatever you want to call it. So what I'm going to do is sudo apt, if I can spell it right, install flatpak. I cannot spell. And then once you've got this, you're going to want to add the flathub repository. Don't worry, all the commands will be in the description for you to copy. Now once we've done that, we can go back to Sober and copy this command. Or copy it from the description. Just proceed with everything. Wait, that took quite a while for me. But looking at the size of these packages, it may not take nearly as long for you if you only have to install this. But once the wait is up, you can just run this command and then Sober should start. Now as you can see, it's trying to start the install process. Obviously this is only a one-time thing, but even after you've installed, this is how you will start Sober. That was quite quick. And then from here, you have access to the Roblox mobile app on your Linux device. Actually, what I just said about the command isn't 100% true, because at least on Ubuntu, I can go to the menu, search for apps, and search up Sober. Click on this, and then it will start. Obviously, you can make a bash script to run this and put this on your desktop or whatever. Now we can begin the process of installing Roblox Studio. And once again, it's going to be through flatpak. So install that the way you would for your distro. For example, sudo apt install flatpak. I've already done it, so I don't need to do that. And now we can use flatpak to install Vinegar. We can just copy the command. And then it doesn't matter which of these you use. Continue. Okay, now that's done, you're going to want to run this command. You can copy this from the description. It's a little bit of a mouthful, if you can say that for a command. I'll just paste it into here. And here it will just start, it'll initialize and install itself. After some time, it's just launch Studio. And from here, you have access to Roblox Studio on Linux. Now, if you want to start the program again, you don't have to do that whole handful of a command. You can just do it with one fewer argument. Wow, so much shorter. And then if you do that, it will be a lot quicker this time, and it will launch. Or obviously for me, because I'm on Ubuntu, I can just search for apps. And it will search if I show Roblox Studio. A good thing is Sober will also show up if I search Roblox, so ignore this because I think this is completely unrelated to what I've just done. But yeah, that is how you install both Roblox Player and Roblox Studio on Linux.